I'm going to compare 5 of the best earbuds you can buy in 2024, based on their individual specs and average price. Let's get started. First up, we have the JLab JBuds Mini. These are some of the most affordable earbuds on the market, costing only $25. They offer decent sound quality, IPX5 water resistance, and up to 15 hours of battery life with the charging case. They also have a built-in microphone and touch controls for easy operation. If you're looking for a pair of earbuds that won't break the bank, these are a great option. Next, we have the Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro. These earbuds are more expensive, at $99, but they come with some impressive features. They have active noise cancellation, which blocks out unwanted background noise, and wireless charging, which lets you juice up your earbuds without any cables. They also have customizable sound profiles via the Soundcore app, which lets you adjust the EQ and sound modes to suit your preferences. These earbuds are ideal for anyone who wants a premium sound experience and a sleek design. Moving on, we have the Sony WF-C700N. These earbuds are also priced at $99, and they have some unique features that set them apart from the rest. They have adaptive sound control, which automatically adjusts the noise cancellation and ambient sound mode based on your activity and environment. They also have support for Google Assistant and Alexa, which lets you access your smart devices and voice assistants with a simple tap. These earbuds are perfect for anyone who wants a smart and versatile pair of earbuds that can adapt to any situation. Next up, we have the Nothing Ear. These earbuds have a distinctive, transparent design, which lets you see the inner workings of the earbuds. They also have personalized hearing tests, which create a sound profile based on your hearing abilities. They also have fast charging, which gives you an hour of playtime in just 10 minutes. They also have active noise cancellation and wireless charging, like the previous 2 models. These earbuds cost $99, and they are a great choice for anyone who wants a pair of earbuds that stand out from the crowd. Finally, we have the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. These earbuds have a sleek and comfortable fit, which makes them easy to wear for long periods of time. They also have clear sound quality, thanks to the dual drivers and the AKG tuning. They also have ambient sound mode, which lets you hear your surroundings without taking off your earbuds. They also have active noise cancellation and wireless charging, like the other models. These earbuds cost $149, and they are a fantastic option for anyone who wants a pair of earbuds that deliver a balanced and smooth sound. So, there you have it. 5 of the best earbuds you can buy in 2024, based on their individual specs and average price. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!